We see the farmer for the chicken is going to put the water in the house of the chickens. Let's look at the farmer.
No.
Yeah, breaking news, guys. The farmer needs another one.
Why?
And the farmer is crying now because he broke the handle.
Dry. Didn't break anything. It comes out sometimes. Hey, bueno.
Now the farmer came out. Now he's gonna feed the little ones. And the little ones ain't happy about it because he didn't feed them on time.
I don't know, the eggs that has to go to the incubator. They're about 18, 20 or so. But they're not gonna go today, they'll go.
As the farmer approached the chicken coop.
Somebody's stepping on my carrots. You can see your foot here. The Bible let it carefully. Hey!
Somebody's stepping on our carrots. And there's our muchaina there. And this is where the little ones stay. And they ain't happy about that. One of them just escaped. More just escaped. And the farmer ain't looking. Some of them just escaped. All of them look excited just to see food. That's embarrassing. Oh guys, this is Dubai. He ain't a good dog. He eats everyone's carrots. Oh, look at him. This is my pet Dubai. He does not take care of our vegetables. Instead, he eats them.